It's no news that Tesla shares have been dropping. Yet, did you have any idea that these offers could before long merit a fortune? Tesla has kept a tremendous expansion in its stock cost previously, and there's no question that it would keep far superior figures later on. Following the new drops in Tesla's stock value, a few financial backers have started frenzy selling their portions because of a paranoid fear of losing their venture. Yet, assuming you've been selling, this moment might be the perfect open door to take a delay, as Tesla stock may soon possibly ascend dramatically before very long, and possessing only 10 Tesla shares currently may give you a mouth-watering return in a couple of years. Hello everybody, and welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. Tesla stock has lost in excess of $500 billion in market esteem this year, and keeping in mind that a few major names in the money management world have moved to estimate a lower cost for Tesla stock execution before long, the organization's monetary numbers actually propose that Tesla stock will not be remaining at a low cost for a really long time. A few specialists on examination concur that Elon Musk's straightforward and exceptional way of running his organization is something that has assisted Tesla with remaining on the highest point of its down as far as exploration, improvement, and development. The vehicle organization is yet to reveal a considerable lot of these undertakings, and many develop past assumptions. If you clutch your Tesla shares for a couple of additional years, the number of offers you might at any point make from claiming 10 offers currently, more subtleties are to come. But in the event that you like this sort of satisfaction, remember to like, buy in, and turn on notices to push state-of-the-art on everything along with Tesla. President Elon Musk has said that Tesla intends to hit a 50% development rate later on in 2020. The vehicle organization expressed that over the long term, it hopes to accomplish 50% normal yearly development in vehicle conveyances. It further unveiled that the pace of development will depend upon gear limits, processing plant uptime, functional effectiveness, and the ability to balance out the store network. We'll get to that. However, in 1 minute, a huge year-on-year return has nearly turned into a thing of oddity for Tesla investors, and this is many times what decides the organization's true capacity for the future. For example, assuming that you had purchased 10 Tesla shares at that pinnacle stock costs in June 2021, then he had paid $6,940 for those offers, yet by September 2022, you will have 30 offers worth near $8,000 post-stock gain value. That is an incredible $1,000 benefit in under 2 years, and deciding by Tesla's essentials, you could procure much more by clutching these offers for a more drawn-out time frame. There are a few factors that could be useful to support Tesla stock cost from here on out, and possibly calls to share worth to arrive at significantly higher figures. We should see one of them since the battery day in 2020. Tesla has been putting forth attempts to scale its 46A battery creation, which has been finished and offered to work on its up-and-coming generation of vehicles, and the 20 million EV focus for 2030. Presumably Tesla has been finding this, and what testing and specialists have uncovered is that Tesla is just most of the way to accomplishing that objective of effectively carrying out its 4680 cells. Yet it is inevitable before the automaker prepares these battery cells. While Tesla intends to snag its 4680 battery cells, it is additionally expanding creation at its production lines with likely arrangements to fabricate more offices. The automaker means to construct more manufacturing plants all around the world to arrive at its objective of delivering upwards of 20 million EBS each year by 2030. As per Musk, Tesla could at last wind up building more plants, presumably no less than 10 or 12 gigafactories, to arrive at this objective. Tesla is likewise putting forth attempts to increment creation at its Full Moon plant by utilizing robotization very much as it did in its Shanghai office. The vehicle organization is purportedly sending designers and creation staff from its Shanghai processing plant to its plant in Vermont, California, in a bid to support creation at the U.S. office. Tesla has likewise revealed that development of its digital truck will begin in mid-2023 at the organization's plant in Austin. The automaker intends to begin delivering these vehicles in the following year, with the primary units to be conveyed to proprietors starting from around June or July in late news. Musk divulged a few new elements that this digital truck will have, as per him. The digital truck will be sufficiently waterproof to serve momentarily as a boat, so it can cross streams, lakes, and even oceans on the off chance that they're not excessively uneven, notwithstanding the digital truck. The new variant of the Tesla Roadster will likewise be prepared surprisingly fast beside its digital truck, so Tesla is additionally chipping away at FSD full self-driving, which it will have possibly opened up for huge profit with regards to the future. The vehicle organization has authoritatively raised the cost of the FSD Innovation Bundle to $15,000, similarly as Musk had guaranteed. Throughout recent years, Musk expressed that Tesla would step by step continue to expand the cost of its full self-driving bundle as usefulness works on prompting the genuine last type of the item, which is the ability to drive completely independently. In like manner, Musk likewise talked about Tesla's gigafactory independence. He intends to construct EVs so they can drive from 50 to 60 hours rather than 10 to 12 hours 7 days a week. Anyway, one significant impediment to Tesla arriving at an exorbitant cost could be the issue of inflated cost of unrefined components inferable from expansion and an approaching downturn. While expanding income, Tesla is likewise attempting to reduce expenses the vehicle organization has uncovered. They eliminated a few sections and cycles in its EVs to save money on costs in October 2. Tesla declared that it was supplanting it to US with Tesla Vision and eliminating them from the Model 3 and Model Y vehicles. There are additionally worries about debilitating requests for Tesla vehicles in China, keeping in mind that Elon Musk is occupied with redesigning his recently procured organization. Tesla could be confronting progressively dire interest issues as per ongoing news. A declining request in China is compelling the electric vehicle creator to slow creation and defer recruiting in its Shanghai production line. In like manner, Tesla looks for help at its freshest plant in Texas, which is at present not sloping up as expected yet. While these are potential preventions, Tesla can undoubtedly sidestep them by reducing expenses and bringing down car costs. This is feasible, assuming it settles its store network issues. Tesla might be going digging for its natural substances, despite the fact that Musk has said that mining could turn out to be to a greater degree an imperative as Tesla increments vehicle creation in sizes of 46 AE battery sequential construction systems, as per ongoing news. Tesla had conversations with Glencore about taking a stake in the Swiss mining monsters. Glencore is the world's biggest exchange house and maker of cobalt. It is based in the Popular Republic of Congo, Australia, and Canada. Sometime prior, Tesla protected a cobalt offtake in concurrence with the bidding organization for Giga Shanghai and Giga Berlin. It appeared that Tesla and Glencore had some kind of conversation beginning as early as last year, and the conversation went on until spring, when Glencore CEO Gary Bird visited Tesla's manufacturing plant. In like manner, Tesla has affirmed its lithium treatment facility in Texas, as per the vehicle organization, is pushing ahead, which intends to fabricate a lithium treatment facility on the Texas Bay Coast in a bid to oversee the inventory network for EV batteries. Tesla should affirm this during Tesla's telephone call while responding to an examination question on Tesla's advancement in fostering the organization's new 46 AE battery. Innovation Musk sees Tesla turning into the most important organization later on, far surpassing Apple's market cap. He additionally said while talking on the Momentum Tesla investors call, Musk expressed that he sees a likely way for Tesla to be worth more than Apple and Saudi Aramco consolidated, albeit most feline added that he didn't imply that this will happen at any point in the near future, or even by any stretch of the imagination, or on the other hand, assuming that it would try and be simple, he sees a way for Tesla to be more awful, generally 2 times the worth of Saudi Aramco. As of October this year, Saudi Aramco's reasonable worth was up at $2.107 trillion, thus on the off chance that Tesla can arrive at 2 times this later on, his stock cost is definitely going to arrive at unbelievable levels. A ton of ventures could assume critical parts in supporting the cost of Tesla stock, yet it may be to the advantage of financial backers clutch their portions for the drawn out. How much do you think 10 Tesla shares will be more awful later on? Let us in on down underneath, and remember to let us know your valuation of Tesla. If you have any desire to know more about what Tesla's been doing over the most recent couple of days, feel free to tap on this next video on your screen. See you there.